guys, this bike is a piece of shit, so we're gonna destroy it.
We're fucking destroying this piece of fucking shit. There's only one bike that actually
Hey, wait, hold on. Wait, before we destroy this, let's get some.
Oh yeah, we gotta fill it. Sizzling bacon, baby. Oh.
Bacon, so good. This one's still a work in progress.
Yeah, we're gonna work on that one.
This one's a piece of shit, so we're gonna destroy it.
This one's just a piece of shit. Cause now, then I realized that this was bent right here. So we're just gonna freaking break it today.
Yeah, we're gonna do some hits each. Some hits.
Probably just hitting.
I want to get one hit though, just one.
I'm probably thinking that this bike is so weak.
Wait,
Piece of
come here.
crap.
It
already broke.
Pull us out.
Yo, we got a unicycle now.
We do.
I wonder if we could slap some.
But it's a butt plug. There's a butt plug. All right, let's get the rest.
All right. Come on, Daddy.
Whoa.
Holy shit. Look at it.
Here, wait, let me get one hit.
No.
Come on, bro. Come on.
All right, here. Creamy.
Okay.
Record me.
All right, here we go. This big
So weak, bro.
daddy that's so
Go
weak.
ahead, Shane.
Yeah, sure.
Oh, look. Whoopsie. My bad. Oh, I dropped it.
Okay, you're done. You're done. You suck at this. Go.
Barbarians.
Oh, yo, chill. Look at that. Coming off the bolt.
Oh, yeah.
Here. It's fucking cooked.
I'm gonna nail you. Let's see this.
Didn't want to cover this.
Here,
Didn't
come
want-
this side. Come this side. I am the Slayer. The bike Slayer. Damn. And I'll sell this bike to you for $1,000.
Yeah, we're giving this back away for free. If you, fifth subscriber gets this thing free. With the tire. If you want the tire, you can have that one too.
But you
The
have to
butt
come,
plug unicycle.
You have to come get it, not me.
I mean, we can just ship it to him, right? Just need a- I think that's a good. The video's getting a bit long here. I think we should just like hit it 3 more times.
No, we're gonna do it till it destroys. How much time we got?
3 minutes and 50 seconds. Hit that baby.
I'm gonna hit you.
Let me get me some more freaking.
Sunflower seeds. Yo! That chain is so rusty.
Let's get rid of it.
It's so rusty, it doesn't even want to move. Ah, we'll just beat it off, right?
Yeah, just snap it. You have any way we can cut it?
No, fuck you.
Oh, what was that?
What is it? Oh, that bike pedal piece. I don't give a shit.
You don't give a
Fucking bike. That bike is better than you. Fuck you. Yeah, you ain't going nowhere now. You ain't got shit on me. The fuck you gonna do about it? Piece of junkyard shit. Probably could have used you for parts, but you're a piece of shit.
Guys, should we reveal the neighbor's license plates?
No. Or do it.
There they are, right there. Pull it out. Here, reveal. Revealing license.
Yo, I just felt metal shards coming at me. That's crazy. Next time we'll probably use some safety. Actually, chat, stay right here. Gotta go get some safety.